Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to manage and rearrange lock screen widgets in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 and you want to manage and rearrange your lock screen widgets, so let's see how we can do that. You just have to right click on your desktop and then go to personalize. Now it will open in your settings, then go to lock screen here. Now under lock screen, you can easily select your widgets. You can see you can personalize your lock screen by Windows Spotlight, any picture, or a slideshow. So let's say I'm gonna select slideshow from here. Now you might select pictures from your photos or from your album. You can also enable this, get fun, fair, tips, tricks, and more on your lock screens. I've already enabled this. I'm not receiving any pics on my lock screen. So once I've enabled, from here, you can make modes. Like you can see advanced slideshow setting. So here's the include camera roll folder from this PC and OneDrive. So I'm not enabling this. It's the only use picture that fit my screen. So if you have any picture that fits your screen, so you can enable this. So here play a slideshow when using a battery power. So if you're on battery power, you will see a slideshow on your lock screen. So here's the where my PC is inactive, show the lock screen instead of turning off the screen. So I'm not enabling this exactly. So here you can see there's a turn off the screen after the slideshow has played. So you can enable the turn off. You can also select turn off from here. So here lock screen status. I have selected dev home. You can also select weather and more. Now here show the lock screen background picture and the sign in screen. So I'm enabling this also. Here's the screen timeout. So you can change screen timeout from here if you want to. So once you have done, you can easily go back and now you have your lock screen has been successfully customized. So in this way you can customize the lock screen. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.